Welcome students to Maths Academy, your Pooja teacher. Today we will start with simple but very interesting topic of graphical method. Before starting graphical method, we will recall the flowcharts of linear equation in two variables. First, find at least 4 order pair for given equation. Second, draw x-axis and y-axis on a graph paper and plot the points. Third one, see that all 4 points lie on the same line. Today we are start with the practice set 1.2. Question number 1. Complete the following table to draw the graph of the equation. They given us two equation, first one and second one. X plus y equals to 3 and x minus y equals to 4. Now we have to complete the table. When we complete the table, we get a 3 order pair. With the help of this 3 order pair, we plotted the points on the graph paper. Now we are proceed to find out the 3 order pairs. First, we have write down the equation and put the value of x equals to 3 in this equation. So 3 plus y equals to 3. Y write down here. So 3 minus 3 equals to y equals to 0. So now we have x equals to 3 and y equals to 0. So write down here 3 and here it is 0. So first order pair is 3, 0. Come to the second one. Put y equals to 3. X plus y equals to 3. So write down here x plus 5 equals to 3. So this x write down as it is 3 minus 5. Therefore x equals to minus 2. So write down here x equals to minus 2. So minus 2 comma 5. This is the second coordinates. Come to the third one. This is x plus, put y equals to 3 equals to this 3. Therefore x equals to 3 minus 3 and this x equals to 0. Now start with the second equation, x minus y equals to 4. Put y equals to 0. X minus 0 equals to 4. Therefore x equals to 4. Now second one, x minus y equals to 4. Put x equals to minus 1. So minus 1 minus y equals to this 4. Minus y is equals to minus, this is 4. And this minus 1 comes to the plus 1. Therefore minus y equals to plus 5 and y equals to minus 5. So now write down coordinates of x and y in this table. So in first we get x equals to 4 here. So write down 4, 0. In second minus 1 and it's a minus 5. Therefore minus 1, minus 5. And write down 0, minus 4. It's a third order pair. Now with the help of this two table, we have to plotted the points on the graph paper. Now start with the plotting the points on the graph paper. This is a x-axis. Write down here. Now this is y-axis. Write down the scale on both sides, on both axes. 1 centimeter equals to 1 units. Okay. Now look at the first coordinates is 3, 0. So this is a 3, 0. Just highlight here 3, 0. Second one is minus 2, 5. This is minus 2 and this is 5. So just plot here. This is second. Now the third one is 0, 3. This is 0 and this is 3. Just plot here. Now 1, 2, 3 intersect with each other with the help of scale. And just draw the one straight line. Okay. Now write down the equation on this axis. This is x minus y equals to 3. Come to the second table. First order pair is 4, 0. This is 4 and this is 0. Just note here 4, 0. Now second one is minus 1, minus 5. This is minus 1, minus 5. Minus 1, minus 5. This is this minus 1 and this one. Just highlight minus 1, minus 5. Come to the third one, 0, minus 4. This one, 0, minus 4. Now these 3 points intersect with each other. Join the with the help of straight with the help of scale. Join carefully. Now these two straight line intersect with this point. Now just note this coordinates. This is 3.5 comma and this one is 0.5 and write down the equation on this. X minus 4 equals to x minus y equals to 4. Okay, and this is x plus y equals to 3. Now we'll get the solution of this two equation is 3.5 comma 0.5. Okay, so write down here solution of x comma 5 equals to 3.5 comma 0.5. After solving question number 1 of practice set 1.2, now we are proceed with the example number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equation graphically. First equation, x plus y equals to 6 and x minus y equals to 4. In this example, they given us any value of any variable. So we have to take any numbers with the help of this equation. So first we have to draw like this table and after that we have to find the solution of equation. Now start with this. First draw the table of x plus y equals to 6. Draw this table, x and y coordinates, and we have to find out the 4 order pairs. So you have to draw the 4 blocks. Now start with the solving. Now put x equals to any value. I will take 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. I choose these number. You have to choose any number. So now substitute these value in this equation. So x equals to 0. So what is equation? X plus y equals to 6. X is what? 0 plus y equals to 6. Therefore y equals to 6. So write down here y equals to 6. So first coordinate, what we get? 0, 6. Now come to the second, x equals to 1. This one take with here. What is equation? X plus y equals to 6. So put the value of x here, 1 plus y equals to 6. Then y equals to 6 minus 1. This plus 1 comes in a minus 1. Therefore y equals to 5. Write down here 5. So second order pair 1, 5. Now come to the third. X equals to what? 2. Now substitute here x equals to 2. Write down the equation x plus y equals to 6. X is what? 2 plus y equals to 6. Therefore y is equals to 6 minus 2 and y equals to 4. So write down here y equals to 4. So third coordinate 2 comma 4. Now come to the fourth. X equals to 3, write down here. Now what is the equation? X plus y equals to 6. So x is what? 3. This thing write down here. Plus y equals to 6. Then y equals to this 6 write down first. This minus 3 comes here. Y equals to 6 minus 3. Therefore y equals to 6 minus 3, you will get a 3. So write down here 3. So the fourth order pair 3 comma 3. And we have a second equation also, x minus y equals to 4. Now draw the table first and we can choose any randomly numbers. So x is equals to, you can take any number. I choose 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2. Now substitute all this value of x in this equation, then I will get the value of y. So now put this x equals to this one, right? So what is equation? X minus y equals to 4, right? X minus y equals to, x is what? 1, minus y equals to this 4. So y minus y equals to 4. This plus 1 comes in a minus 1. Therefore minus y equals to plus 3. Therefore y equals to minus 3. So write down here minus 3. Minus 3. Then first coordinate 1 comma minus 3. Now come to the second. X equals to minus 1. Write down here x equals to minus 1. What is equation? X minus y equals to 4, right? Now minus 1 minus y take as it is equals to 4, right? Minus 1 take it as it is minus 1. This what is the value of x? It's a minus 1. First write down here a minus 1. Then this minus 1 comes in a this after minus y equals to this 4, minus 1 comes here plus 1. Therefore minus y equals to plus 5. Therefore this y is equals to minus 5. So write down here minus 5. So the second coordinate minus 1 comma minus 5. Come to the third one. X equals to 2. So write down here x equals to 2. Now start solving. X minus y equals to this 4. What is x? It's a 2. Minus y equals to 4. Minus y equals to 4 minus 2. Minus y equals to 2. Therefore y equals to minus 2. So write down here y equals to minus 2. Now the third coordinates 2 comma minus 2. Now the fourth one, x equals to minus 2. So write down here x equals to minus 2. So what is equation? X minus y equals to 4. What is x? Minus 2 minus y equals to 4. Minus y as it is 4. This is plus 2. Therefore minus y equals to 6. Therefore y equals to minus 6. So write down here y equals to minus 6. Now the last coordinate minus 2 comma minus 6. Now we find out the 4 coordinates of these two equations with the help. Now start with the plotting points on x-axis. Write down here x-axis. This is y-axis. Write down the scale here. Scale on both axes 1 centimeter equals to 1 unit. Now start plotting the points on this graph paper. Now what is the table number 1 of the first quadrant? 0, 6. This is 0 and 6 on the y-axis. So just plot here. Now the second one is a 1, 5. This is 1 and this is 5, right? So plot here. Third one is 2, 4. This is 2 and this is 4. Now the last one 3, 3. This is 3 and this is 3. Plot here. Now all these 4 points joined with each other with the help of scale, then we'll get a one straight line on the graph paper. right? Draw carefully and joined each points with each other. When we join a point with each other, then write down the equation on this line. This is x plus y equals to 6. Start with the second table. First quadrant is 1 comma minus 3. This is 1 and minus 3 on a y-axis. So 1 comma minus 3. Now the minus 1 comma minus 5. This is a minus 1 and this is minus 5. So start plotting here minus 1 and minus 1 and minus 5. This is. After that come to the third 2 comma minus 2. This is 2, this is 2 and this is minus 2, right? So plot here. Fourth one is minus 2 minus 6. This is a minus 2 and this is minus 6. Plot here, right? Now all this point with each other with the help of scale. Draw these points with the help of scale. Will get a second straight line. Draw accurately. Now write down the equation on this straight line. This is x minus y equals to 4. Now observe that these two lines intersect with each other at this point. So this is 5 and this is 1. So write down 5 comma 1. So this is 5 comma 1 is the solution of these two equations. So write down here solution of x comma y equals to 5 comma 1. So this is the whole graph, which is the. Now students, look at the example number 2. Try to solve this example with the help of first one. Now we are proceed the example number 3. X plus y equals to 0 and 2x minus y equals to 9. Draw two table each of these equations. Start with the first equation, x plus y equals to 0. Start writing here. Put x equals to any value randomly. I choose 1, 2, 3, 4. X equals to 1. Write down here. What is equation? X plus y equals to 0. X is what? 1. Plus y equals to 0. Therefore y equals to minus 1. Write down here minus 1. First order pair 1 comma minus 1. Come to the second, it's a 2. Write down here 2. X plus y equals to 0. X is 2 plus y equals to 0. Therefore y equals to minus 2. So it's a minus 2. Second quadrant 2 comma minus 2. Third one it's a 3. Write down here 3. Equation is x plus y equals to 0. X is 3 plus y equals to 0. Therefore y equals to minus 3. Now for x equals to substitute y. What is equation? X plus y equals to 0. X is a 4 plus y equals to 0. Therefore y equals to minus 4. Write down here. X equals to minus 4. So 4 comma minus 4. And here it is minus 3. 3 comma minus 3. Come to the second table. The equation is 2x minus y equals to 9. X equals to 0, 1, minus 1, minus 2. Start with the first one. X equals to 0. Equation is 2x minus y equals to 9. 2 multiply x is 0 minus y equals to 9. 2 zeros are 0, 0 minus y equals to 9. Therefore y equals to minus 9. Write down minus 9. So 0 comma minus 9. Second one is a 1. So write down here 1. 2x minus y equals to 9. 2 multiply x is 1 minus y equals to 9. 2 ones are 2 minus y equals to 9. So minus y equals to 9 minus 2 minus y equals to 7, therefore y equals to minus 7. So write down here y equals to minus 7, second quadrant, 1 comma minus 7. It's a second order pair. Come to the third one is minus 1. So write down over here minus 1. Equation is 2x minus y equals to 9. So 2 multiply, it's a minus 1 minus y equals to 9. 2 ones are 2 minus 2 minus y equals to this 9. So minus y equals to 9. Minus it plus 2. Minus y equals to 11. Therefore y equals to minus 11. So write down here minus 11. Third order pair minus 1 comma minus 11. Come to the fourth minus 2. So start writing here minus 2. What is the equation? It's a 2x minus y equals to 9. 2 multiply minus 2 minus y equals to 9. 2 2s are 4. Minus 4 minus y equals to 9. So minus y equals to 9. It's a plus 4. Right? Plus 4. So it's a minus y equals to 9 plus 4, 13. Therefore y equals to minus 13. So write down here minus 13. So minus 2 comma minus 13. Now with the help of these two table, plot on the graph paper. Students, I have already drawn this graph. So now I will just explain where the points are intersecting with each other. First, draw the number line, x-axis, y-axis, scale on both axes. 1 centimeter equals to 1 units. Now look at the first equation of the first coordinates, 1 comma minus 1. This is 1 and this is minus 1. This is highlight. After second one, 2 comma minus 2. This is 2 and this is minus 2. Okay. Now the third one, 3 comma minus 3. This is 3 and this is minus 3. Write down here. Now the fourth order pair, 4 comma minus 4. Now this is 4 and this is minus 4. This is a fourth order pair. Now these 4 points intersect with the help of scale and write down the equation on that line. Come to the second equation, 2x minus y equals to 9. Now start plotting that points on the graph paper. First order pair is 0 comma minus 9. This is 0 and this is minus 9. So write down here 0 comma minus 9. Second one, 1 comma minus 7. This is 1 and this is minus 7. Right? Now the third one is minus 1 comma minus 11. This is minus 1 and this is minus 11. Write down here. Now the next one is minus 2 comma minus 13. This is minus 2. This is minus 13. So write down here minus 2 comma minus 13. Now all these 4 points joined with the help of scale and write down the equation. Now just when these two lines are intersecting with one point, this is what 3 comma minus 3. So this is the solution of these two equations. So write down here solution of x comma y equals to 3 comma minus 3. I hope you find this video is useful to you. Keep practicing, students. Bye bye and thank you.